Breaking barriers, one device at a time.
What's up guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today we are going to be attacking Windows from our Kali machine using Discord as a server and Mythic Athena command and control. So guys, this video is only for educational purposes. Please don't use it against any system you don't control or you don't own. I'm doing it now from my private lab with my private devices. So anything you do with this information is on you and not on the creator. So now let's check what we did last time. In our last video, we did a. Let's come back here. Last video we attacked Windows machine, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, whatever Windows, from our Kali machine using a PDF, right? A PDF folder. So the PDF file, we send a PDF file to the target or the victim via any means, email, social engineering, think of any means. And when the victim executes the PDF file, it sends us a reverse shell. The issue with this is that our IP is exposed, meaning that in the reverse shell file, in the reverse shell or in the PDF file, our IP is there and the port, and every command we send from the machine to the attacker, to the victim, is not encrypted. So with this now, we are going to fix this by using Discord. So this is us here, the attacker. Let's call A, and this is the victim here, the victim. We call it V. This is a Discord server. Let's call it Z. So in this our machine, we are running something called Mythic. And this Mythic is a C2 server. So Mythic will send a command. So we send a command to Mythic. Mythic sends it to Discord. Discord sends it to the victim. So since this is from Discord, our IP is hidden, and we're using Discord API to do this. So this could bypass antivirus software. This could bypass so many things. They could show us legitimate source, as it's very difficult for antivirus to scan and know it's from malicious environment when it's from a legit environment like Discord. From here now, it sends it back, like the command sends back the results back to Discord. Discord sends it to Mythic, and we are controlling Mythic, so it comes back now directly to us. So that's how it works to and fro. So what do we need to do to install this? First of all, we open Discord, right? Discord.com. Now we just need to create a new channel. Click on this plus sign here. Create a server. Create my own for me and my friends. Give it a name. Let's give it a name. Let's give it okay. Let's say server. We click create, and it's been created. Now we click on this user settings here. We go to advanced, and we make sure we enable developer mode. If it's off, mine is on already, so you on yours. Next, you need to go to this left side, discord.com/developer/applications. Create a new application. You call it let's call it C2. Accept, create, validate the captcha. This will be created. Now we come to bots here. We take reset token. Take yes. Enter our Discord password. Enter it password. Our Discord password. Click submit. And let's wait. So this is the token. Let's save this guy because we need this. Open our terminal. Let me see it. Let's create let's say I use a text editor. I'm using mousepad. I'm going to create a page. Let's call it token. So this is a token. Now we come to bots here. We scroll down again. We need to put this on, and put this on. Take save. We come here, scroll down. We grant the bot. Make it administrator. We come to OAuth. Scroll down. We turn on bot. Scroll down, return administrator here. Leave the rest default. Copy this, put to a new page, paste it. Scroll down and click continue, authorize, and verify this. I think we are done setting up Discord. If we come back here, we open our, we will see that this is our, we open our server. We will see that we are the only one that's online and our bot has been created and is offline. So we need to copy another thing too. We need to copy the server ID. We come to this server here, we right click and we take copy server ID. So server ID. Then we need to the channel ID. Come to our channel here, we right click here, copy channel ID. Now channel ID. So we are done with Discord right now. Now let's go and download our Mythic. Open a new page, we search for Mythic. We are going to download it, and this is the first link. This sorry. You open this. So coming back, we copy this. We open our terminal. What we do is that we do a sudo git clone. Wow, it's happening to my keyboard. Okay. This is going to take some time to download the file we need, the Mythic file. As you can see, it's about as of now it's about 800 megabytes, depending on your internet speed. It's going to download. Give it some time to download. So our Mythic is done installing. You go to the cd to Mythic, we cd to init, ls was clear, and ls again. Secondly, we need to install Docker, right? So we do sudo app install docker.io. Yes. Going to install Docker container to the current directory. Wait for it to get finished. While it's installing, let's go to back to here. Let's search now for Mythic agents. We are going to need 2 agents. We are going to need 1 agent. We will need the Apollo agent and I think Athena agent and the C2 file called Discord. So let's go down here. We'll need Athena. Let's do direct searches. Yes, agent Athena. And this is Athena, what we will need. Scroll down to the installation. No, where's it? Okay, this is it here. We copy this. Now Docker is still installing and we have not even, okay, now it's done installing. It's ls. Now we need to run sudo bash install Docker for Kali, since we're using Kali. If we were using Debian or any kind of Debian, we would have installed this. For using Ubuntu, we use this. So you press enter here. Going to install. Wait for it to get finished. And just give it a second. Okay. So for the Mythic framework to work, Mythic C2 to work with Discord, we need 2 things. We need an agent, let's say A, and we need now a C2 profile. So we need the Discord C2 profile. So we are going to install this agent, which is Athena, as you can see. Then we are going to install this tuple file called Discord. Going back to our terminal here, it's done installing. If we clear here, now we do a sudo make and press enter. That's done. ls, we are going to see now a new file called Mythic CLI. It's executable, so we do sudo. We paste this link we just copied from here. From here, we paste this here, and we take enter. This is going to clone the agent into our Mythic folder. Okay, mine is done. So from here we need the Discord C2 profile. So we just do a search for it again. Mythic Discord C2. All this link will be left in the description. I put all the links in the description for anyone who needs it. So just go down here. This is the command to install the Discord C2 profile. Let's copy this. Let's come back here. Paste it. Enter. Let it load. It's going to take some time depending on your internet speed. And it shows that mine is done. If you clear here, do ls. Now let's check if Mythic is running. So we do a sudo /mythic CLI, we take status. So from this now we see that the server is running, Jupyter is running, the SQL server, the Graph SQL is running. So all our services are running perfectly. To start the server, if you are not running, you do sudo Mythic CLI start. To stop the server, you do a stop. Alright. So there's a file that is created here that is called the environment file. This file stores all the settings we will need for our Mythic C2. So we are going to open this file in our favorite text editor. Mine is mousepad, so we call it env. .env. Enter. So this is the environment file. If you scroll down here, you will see all the credentials. There's one credential that I will need. I scroll down. Mythic. We need this password. Okay. Copy this. And we know the username is mythic_username. You can change anything here to what you want. Do it as you want. So now we come down to a new terminal. We open the Mythic web GUI. So HTTPS. Remember, add the S there because it sends it online. Make it secure. So add the S there. So 127.0.2.7443. This is the default port. When you install it, press enter. When you open this, you enter the username mythic_admin or whatever username you have. If you have changed it, mine is still default. Next tab, we paste the password and we take login. Invalid username and password. Wow, is that true? Did I miss something? Let's copy this again to see if I added something or I missed something. Copy. Oh, guys, am I not spelling this correctly? Wait, let's see. Let's come back to the server. Okay, let's stop the server first. Stop the server. Did I miss the password? Let's start by the server. Okay, let's refresh the page and see. You get this message, you take advance, accept the risks. Let's try again. Mythic_admin. Paste the password and try to log in. And that's it, guys. So this is the dashboard, right? If you click here, you'll see some details. This video is not about how to use Mythic or whatsoever, but this I'll just show you the basics of this framework, how to create a payload, how to use it. So first of all, we'll come to operations here. Let's create a new operation. Let's call it Discord C2. Let's submit it. Now we come down to the operation. We take make as current operation. Make current. So now if you click on here now, here we will see all the profiles. We have Discord running as the C2 profile and Athena running as the agent. And Athena supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. We come here, we click here. This is where we create the payloads. So we take actions, generate new payload. We choose the operating system. Like I said, in this video, we are attacking Windows. Okay, so we choose Windows here. If it was Linux, you can choose whatever you want according to your target OS. You take next. This is the payload. We're using Athena. So if Athena, leave everything default. You can change as you want if you want to increase code obfuscation or whatsoever. You take next. Then here are the commands. You can choose any command you want and add it one by one, or you can just add all. Bear with me that this will increase the size of the payload. Take next. Here we take Discord. So now we are being asked to enter our bot token. Remember that when we save it in our credentials, so we click this, open this. If you come now to our create here, this is where we saved it. Copy this, paste it. Call back intervals in seconds. Let's just put 10 seconds. Okay, let me check every 10 seconds. Let's put 20. Sorry. Just put 20. Scroll down. If you're using a proxy or you're hosting the server on somewhere else, you can put this here, but just leave this default for me. I'm using default. Scroll down here, they will ask you to enter channel ID, okay? Channel ID for messages. If you come back to my create here, we have channel ID here. We copy this and we paste it here. Leave the rest default. Here you can add the end time. You can, like, when should the agent or the beacon on the victim die. You can put any date. Here you can change the crypto type. You can put one you want, or you can add more crypto types, install more different crypto types. Scroll down, we take next. Now just give it a description. So it's going to generate a zip file. Okay, this zip file now we can now use it to do whatever we want to do with it. Generate a zip file for us. So let's just give it a description. This code C2. Take create payload. Come now to payloads here. See, it's creating. While it's creating, let's this is the file being created. Antenna.zip. This is the description that we just put, and it's using Athena. So wait for it. While it's creating, we open our let's open our downloads folder. CD downloads. Oh, sorry, CD downloads. I'm going to remove if any previous file if I have of Athena. I'm going to remove it. Oh, it seems like my browser closed unexpectedly. Why is that? Let me open back my browser. I store sessions. Why did it close unexpectedly? So fetch payloads. Did this fail? It seems like it failed. If it failed, then I need to create a new one. Let's come back here. Actions, fast forward. Let's do it really fast. Windows. Okay, next Discord, channel ID, bot token, set this to 20. Next description, Discord C2 soon. Create payload. Coming now to payload here. This is the old one that did not complete. Let me close this. Let's wait for this to complete. Like if you come here, you're showing you this gathering files. And next is configuring C2 profiles. The next is configuring agent, tags, modules, compile, and the final file is zip. So this will take some time, sometimes depending on the type of machine you are using. But generally within 3 to 5 minutes. It shouldn't take that long. It's just wait for it to finish. So guys, after some time, it seems like our payload is done creating. So now we click on download button here, download the payload. So we come back to our terminal. We need to create a. So normally we need to transfer this to the target by any means possible. You can use social engineering, email, whatsoever. You can rename the file, trigger the. You can do something like bank credential or something like that. That will trigger the user to click on it. Think of something, anything possible, transfer it to the user, and letting execute the payload. It will now give you a direct share between you and the user that passes through Discord. So since it's my machine, I'm going to do it like, let me simulate a way of transferring the payload. I will use Python here. I'll create a server and I'll leave it on port 810. Click enter. I come now to my Windows machine here. I open this folder. Let's say I want it to be here. CMD here. So I'm going to curl the file from my IP. So the file will now be found in this final machine here. If I open this file, this is it. If I run it, wait for it to run, something should come up in our Kali here. If you come to Discord here, we will see something. So if I Discord, you see it says C2. So after clicking on this file here, our bot is now online. This is our bot here. So this is the message that we send back. As you can see, the message is encrypted. You can see, and even the sender ID is encrypted. Everything is encrypted. There's no email here. If you come back to our draw here, we see that we saw that wait. Normally, when we are transferring a file with a direct reverse shell connection, as explained earlier, this is us, the attacker. When doing a direct reverse shell, our IP is shown. Even the commands that we typed are shown in plain text. But with this, everything passes through this board and everything is encrypted. So if we come back now to our Mythic here, we open come to active calls backs. There's no callback here. Why is that? Okay, guys, we forgot to configure something very important. Let's go back to here. Let's come back to here and let's come back to this. Let's stop this C2 here first. Something that we've not done. Very, very important. Let's close this and click on this. You come to config here, we edit this. guys, we need to put the bot token and the channel ID here in this Discord C2 configuration. So let's come back here, let's copy our details, copy, paste it here, copy our channel ID, paste it here, and resubmit, close. Okay, this will automatically restart the profile. And if we come now back to Discord here, there's nothing shown here. Let's come back to our Mythic. Let's go now to active callbacks. We'll see one active callback. So this is a host name, this is an IP address, yeah, this is the name of the domain, the process ID, and the streaming now on the name or description, and the agent we're using Athena. So if we click on this here and we take interact, yeah, we can send commands like who am I, see this command. So guys, using this C2, you can see it's been sent, the information is being sent to Discord, encrypted, and sent to Discord now. So the information, let's clear this. So any command from our machine is being sent to Discord, this is Discord, and Discord now sends in now to the victim, let's call it V. Then the result now has been sent back to Discord, all encrypted. Then Discord now sends back now to us. So this is how the communication works, to and fro. So there are many other things we can do with this, like we can do a help here to see all the commands we can run. So commands we can run. Scroll down, we can run so many commands on this. We can even drop a shell. Let me see, let's see shell. Okay, let's wait. We can do an IP config. So let's do power pick IP config. This is a C2 command. Did I miss that? Oh, it seems like I loaded a shell. Is that so? So guys, these are the commands we can use. Scroll down, let's increase the screen. Scroll down, we can use. So let's list the current directory. What's file in the current directory? Return files in browser. Damn, this is going to be. So guys, let's list the content of the current directory. If you scroll down, so there are so many commands we can run with this. Like we can drop a shell.exe, cmd.exe. This will drop a shell on the machine. So it's processing. We can also try to do a GUI, like since this is CLI, you can come and click on here on this, and we take browser, we take files, and here we can have like a CLI, like navigate into the folders. users, this of the target. So you can see these are files in the target system. You can come to any folder like downloads folder. You can see all the files here are here. You can upload the files, do whatever. If we open videos here, we can see things about the users. We come back. Let's keep scrolling down. Trying to enumerate this machine. So we can use, I can either use a GUI or we can use a CLI to enumerate this this machine from this Mythic server. So guys, that was all. Thanks for watching. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And see you again next time.